Your true expenses tend to fall into two camps: your predictable and unpredictable expenses. So let's start with what's predictable. You know exactly when these bills are coming and how much they cost. Examples include things like car registration and car insurance premiums. Actually, cars come up a lot when we talk about Rule 2. Does this sound familiar? An enormous car insurance bill comes in the mail and completely blindsides you. Didn't I just pay that? Turns out it was 6 months ago. And you feel awful for forgetting it, and it really throws everything off that month. Well, now that you're budgeting, you're gonna think about and prepare for those big bills. Other predictable expenses happen at predictable times, but you don't know exactly how much they're gonna cost. Holidays come up a lot here. Christmas always comes in December, and you always fly to your in-laws for Thanksgiving. You also know that the electric bill will spike in the summer. These are known expenses, and you're gonna get pretty good at preparing for them. Then there's the real wild cards, the unpredictable expenses. These are the ones we really like to ignore, until they won't let us anymore. Have you ever had one of those really crazy months? In the first week, you ran over that huge pothole. Then a couple weeks later, your fridge finally died. And then at the end of the month, you had to go to the emergency vet because your dog managed to stab herself with a stick. True story, happened to me. She's okay. You didn't see any of that coming. So you dust yourself off and say, next month will be normal. But it never is. You see, there's no such thing as a normal month. There's always something, because life is unpredictable and there's no use pretending like it's not. If you start preparing now, those unpredictable expenses will just be no big deal. You'll get better and better at this the more you budget. Roll with the punches as you figure it out, and you'll find that that big, crazy, chaotic financial roller coaster you've been on will start to feel more like a pleasant boat ride. It may be a little less exciting, but you'll have a lot more peace.